Send it. Winky wing. Oh yeah. Boom. Oh. Jesus Christ. Hey, welcome back to another Mountain Standard Time episode. I'm Landon Pavan and riding with Curly, doing some jumps. We got Jasmine down there. We got Leah, Brandy, and Brendan. Kind of goal of today is to do this jump a whole bunch of times, get loose on it, get Curly more comfortable with jumping, and maybe try to work towards like knack-knacks or double no-handers or kind of some simple tricks like that. So. It's a really, like a super fun one to go further and further.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got a nice long landing on it.
Nice. We try to do like a one-hander. Send it. How's that feel to you?
Not too bad. I gotta hit it faster to actually get to the...
Okay, going faster. Go Curly, go! Keep this jump up. Maybe Leah will get in there. Reduce, reuse, and recycle the jumps. Woo! Test jump. It is kind of booty. I think I'll knock it off of it. There we go. Okay, we test that out. We gotta fix that little dip. Well, that's kind of fun. It's so small. Hey. This is like solid ice. Just touch this jump up. Leah is on my sled now, and she's gonna give it a go. Oh yeah. Check it out. Here she comes. Holy smokes. Boom. Yeah. Was the landing all right?
I just went forward more than I wanted to, but everything else was fine.
A little bit more gas on the landing, and you wouldn't have kind of like
I think I was like, where am I?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, that was a pretty good commitment going off that. Oh! Jesus Christ, are you alright?
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Did I hurt the sled?
I don't care about the slide. You okay? She's good.
Did I hurt the sled?
No, I don't. The slide's fine. Leah, you crazy human. I think you let off a little too much that time.
I think you did too.
Holy smokes! She's good. Oh, I'm so happy that missed you and that you kept sliding. Well, that was a really close call. Leah almost getting caught by the sled. Test it out for her. Very nice. We knocked the lip off of the jump a little bit, so she'll be able to do it again. Make sure she ends off jumping on a good note. Yeah, looks very nice. Okay, it's ready for redemption. If you want to go right now.
Do I?
We will just, you gotta be the proud snowmobiler that gets the goon helmet.
The goon helmet.
The goon helmet. Yep.
There we go. It's actually a gang, the no visor gang.
Oh yeah, no visor gang. Yeah.
The visor gang thing?
Yep. Going over the mental games. Redemption. Oh. Well, that's fun. When I start going further, I'm like, I don't really want to be trying to do knacks and stuff. Because it kind of, I don't know, it feels different. Nice. Through the trees. I went through the trees after landing. That was pretty funny. Nice one, Curly. Okay, we're gonna do a hood slapper. Good old classic hood slapper, eh? Woohoo! Double no-hander. Could probably do that better. I like delayed that slightly too long. Okay, I've wanted to do this for years. Right now we got high beam on. So that means there's 2 headlights lit up. And getting off the jump. Low beam, back to high beam. And essentially wink at the camera. So I'm gonna pull it towards me and then push it back forward. That was a little slow. Winky wink. How's that one?
I couldn't see the wink. You were more clear in it, but I couldn't like see the thing go on.
Huh.
Did you do it as soon as you got off? Because when you were like neutral in the air, it didn't do it.
I'm not sure. You want to try to get
home and show it and see it.
Okay, try this for the 3rd time. Maybe I'm doing the hand warmer. Am I doing the hand warmer?
I think you got it.
Yeah? Had the ribs tucked in beside the exhaust. Parchment paper, tin foil, looking pretty good. Lunchtime.
Lunchtime.
Buzz this group up top at the drone, and Dustin, who I've met before, is looping around to hit the jump. Nice. Oh, little rowdy. Yeah, that was fun.
Good.
Thanks. Well, off the jump, kind of touched up here. Said it'll be nice when it refreezes. It was a lot of fun. And that's it. Other than Leah's crash today, everything went very smoothly. Curly was jumping really well. Leah did awesome by getting up after that crash and doing it one more time. It really helps with the confidence for the next time around to at least do it one more time and land one instead of ending off on a crash. So proud of her for that. And got to do what I wanted to do for a long time, which was that winking the headlights during a jump. So pretty pumped about that. And it was a lot of fun. So thanks for watching this Mountain Standard Time episode. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see anything in the future or what your favorite part about this episode was. And stay tuned for next week's video. New upload every Thursday at 1:16 Mountain Standard Time.